tell me, what is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Prince.
Prince.
Yes. Do you watch that movie?
I haven't heard the name itself, so you can tell me about that movie.
Like I don't know that movie is available in Hindi, but I have watched that movie in the English. I want to watch an English movie, and I have got that. I have watched that for two movies. Like there were a man. He keeps forgetting anything sometimes, and like sometimes he have a coin. The name of the coin I don't remember, but I can see there was a coin he have. He only know where he had kept, but he keeps forgetting the things, and forgot it. And one here was police, and here were some. I don't remember the word, but there was
It's a
someone another, and they both wants to buy that coin, and like that person prince have forgotten that, and he started searching, and one time he get it.
okay. So it is a cartoon movie.
No, it is a movie, like it is in
Oh,
English.
okay, okay. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and also Hindi.
Okay. Do you have remember any poem in Hindi of your class, sixth class?
mm, of the sixth class.
You are in the sixth class, right?
Yes.
Do you have remember any poem?
Like right now, morely there is only one poem, and the whole poem I haven't read, but I
Okay.
can say only some.
You can sing that poem.
Okay, the poem name is Soi Meri Chonare, and
Okay.
the Soi Meri Chonare, Soi Meri Chonare, मैं गाओ गीत तुम सो जाओ, सोई मेरी छोना रे. This much only I remember.
It's okay. It's okay. And who is your favorite YouTuber?
My favorite YouTuber, but I can't say the favorite YouTuber, but I can say my favorite channel for the learning English, that is the Persona Institute.
Persona Institute. Okay. Great.
He
And
also teach very good, and also Guru Rakhe.
yeah, exactly. I know that channel. And okay, great. And do you play any video games?
No, I play kabaddi in my school only.
Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, you are. I don't know, but great. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is khichdi.
Khichdi.
Yes.
Great, but I think you don't get every day, right?
Yes, that is. If we ate our favorite food and daily, then that food will not be our favorite.
Exactly. Great. Hmm. Okay, so what is your routine? How much do you study in a one day?
In one day, I can say like just of learning English, that is around 1, and also sometimes half hour, and I complete also my homework of the school. It sometimes it is more and sometimes it is little.
Hmm. Okay, so how you started learning English? Because you are really an inspiration for so many people. Okay, because studying in the state board and not having the CBSE, because we feel that CBSE board students are having the English subject and having the English environment, right? But you have learned the English through YouTube and internet. So how you have started? You can share your journey. It would be great.
Okay, my YouTube learning English journey has started ending in the lockdown. I was in my home, and there my father started teaching me English in the evening, and
Okay.
from there my journey starts. And I kept that, and in some days my father gave me a mobile phone for the study, and from the mobile phone I started watching some videos like the words and sentences, and I kept understanding that. And some after some days my father took me with them to the shop, and there I kept doing that work. And after some time my father gave me a computer, and also have installed a named Josh Skill application, and there I started learning speaking English. And after that, now this is.
Okay, so Joe Stack application, great man. I have also saw about that application, and they have also YouTube channel, correct? Great.
Yes, and do you know the Humming Space channel?
Yeah, I know. She's really great. I think you can watch the video of with her on my YouTube channel. Latest video.
Yes, okay, and like from the I have communicate with them by the only Just Talk, and we have make the friends from there
Oh,
only.
really?
And I also have make a session with them, like this conversation I can say.
Ah, yeah, I have seen.
And I think you also like traveling.
How you can say that?
Like when I started the video call, then you were deep was of you were traveling somewhere.
No, I am here only.
Right now, not, but you have uploaded your DP on the Skype that was like that. That's why I ask you.
Achha. Okay, I think that photo was quite old, and that time I had randomly created the Skype. My Skype ID is 2 3 years old. Okay, I wasn't aware of that for doing the session and all. Randomly, I have created because I need to use the Microsoft. Okay. So for that, I need to create the Microsoft account, and through that, I also randomly has created the Skype. But when I get the importance that what is the use of a Skype, then I start using. So that photo is under that time. It's not like that. And yeah, I do traveling sometime when I get time, but rarely.
Okay. And which is your favorite place in India?
My favorite place is my village, bro. I really wanted to go my village, but I don't getting the time to go my village. One thing I just wanted to tell you, you are a great man. Okay, seriously, at this age, you
Thank
are
you.
doing the phenomenal job. I wish that I could be doing also this all the things, but really salute and keep on doing. And apart from that, thank you so much. Okay, and keep on doing this all the things, and we will connect again with the another day. Okay, and we will discuss on some topics. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, and we will in a touch. Okay, you can call me, you can message me whenever you have need any problem, any question, any doubt. You can feel free to message me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I think we should go bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night.